Hi guys, my name is Jay and I want to thank you so much first for coming to my channel. There are some people that were already subscribed or that was looking at my videos prior to now. I finally have a pretty good setup to where I can get into filming videos. I was suggested to, create a YouTube channel. I already had one, but people want to see more content from me after posting an Insta story. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. And this is the look we're filming today. This is my go-to very classic wing, red lip combo. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If there's more that you would like to see from me, please let me know in the comments below. Be sure to share this video and like it, and I'll see you soon. So first I'm gonna start off with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and Cool Tan. And I have not used this in oh my god, a long time because I've been using Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. I already have on my foundation and brows. That's literally it. I don't have on my concealer yet or anything, so I'm just gonna highlight these areas of my face. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I'm sorry, my dog is going crazy next to me. And just blend this out. I'm over here watching YouTube videos as I record this because that's just really how I get ready. Or I listen to music, but I can't listen to the music I want to listen to while recording because I don't want to get copyrighted and I don't want to have to worry about going back and trying to take out the audio. So I'm just gonna go straight through it with you guys, and this is gonna be in real time. And this is my first time actually wearing my hair in its natural state since I cut it all, honestly. I would wear it slicked back or something like that, but it's different. So I gotta get used to it again because it's so short too. But yeah, and I just had my I got some of my ends clipped off, about an inch of my hair clipped since cutting it off and starting over. So hopefully that helps it to just look healthy and everything and grow. I'm gonna go in with my little Real Technique sponge and my Maybelline Fit powder, and this is a medium deep. And I'm just gonna go in with my little mini Real Technique sponge. I use this one specifically for powder, and I'm just gonna set that concealer before it starts to crease. This is how you get the best under eye concealer. And I like for mine to look natural. I don't do a lot of colorful, dramatic makeup. I pretty much wear the same look all the time because it's just my go-to. I love, really dramatic and colorful makeup from time to time, though. I love to do it on clients. I just get really nervous when it comes to myself. So I'm just setting that. But I will try. I really want to do more of that and film it. I did film a Insta story of the makeup I did on my page most recently on Instagram. And that's at J Murray on Instagram. And I'm just sitting between my brows. So let me know what it is you guys would like to see. And I will be sure to create a list and knock those videos out because I want to do what you guys want to see, So today we're just doing this natural makeup look, my go-to. I won't say natural because I have something way more natural than this. But this is just my go-to makeup look. So this is great for any event, wedding, special occasion. This is that kind of look. All right, so now that we're all set, I'm going to go in with my Morphe powder. It's the filter powder at number 8. And I'm just gonna take this big Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna set my face. The rest of it, avoiding the under eye. Then I like to go in with my Sigma Small Contour FL5 brush. And as of lately, I've been using like Morphe powders and stuff, but I recently got this, well, not even recently, I got this in Atlanta at a beauty supply. It is by Ruby Kisses. It's the 3D Face Creator or Contour Artist Powder, that one. And I have so many shades in there that I like to use. So I'm just gonna go with one of the first deeper colors. I'm just gonna go under my cheekbones and really start to carve that cheekbone out. I'm watching these videos of people who got their BBLs. I don't plan on getting one or anything done because that stuff scares the shit out of me, but I love to see the transformations. So I'm gonna get under my chin. If you guys hear something, it's my dog. He's going nuts. I'm getting all of that second chin. Gotta go. I'm gonna work around my edges and my hairline. So, and I don't even take my foundation all the way back to my hair anymore. If it like matches you perfectly, you don't even need to. You just go in with a bronzer. And then I'm gonna go in with this smaller Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna use that same powder, and I'm just going to lightly contour my nose just to bring some definition back to that area after making my face so flat. And we just need to bring that nose back. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna take that across the lid, right in the crease, just so we can have a little definition there. And then I'm gonna go in with a slightly lighter brown from that contour palette on my lid. Boom. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in to do my liner, and I use the Epic Ink liner from NYX. And I'm just gonna go in with this one. So the way that I like to do my liner, hopefully I can zoom in really good afterwards when I'm editing this, but I like to look straight into the mirror, okay? And I like to start at the edge of my eye and flick it out. And then I like to create my top line. Like that. And fill it in. It is a lot of doing nothing. It is a lot of pain. It's a lot of going a little crazy at times. But you know what? Honestly, if you truly want this, it will be worth it for you. I'm doing this for myself and only myself. So that's all that matters. I don't care what people think. I know a lot of people judge people when it comes to surgeries. I'm not doing this video to make you feel like you need to go out there and get a surgery. This is just my personal opinion and something that I've been wanting to do for so long, and it took a... Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Now that my liner is completely done, I went in and applied my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. my, what highlighter do I want to use? I'm gonna go in with my Fenty highlighter, boom. Hustle, baby. A little bit of that. So we're gonna hit these cheeks, top of these cheekbones. And I don't wear highlighter very often because if I have breakouts, it really makes them pop. So I'm just trying not to go too overboard with it. But also, I haven't been wearing makeup a lot lately. Like, I'll go weeks without wearing it. So this is really nice for me to get back into my passion. I'm really excited for this journey. I'm gonna highlight that tear duct on both sides. But tell me what you guys want to see from me. I'm really excited to get into this new journey with YouTube. And then I'm going to, all right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush, just something to add a little bit more warmth to my cheeks. And I'm just using a holiday collection from MAC. This is in the Nutcracker Sweet Copper Face Compact. And this is the one with Whisper of Guilt and Pleasure Model. Just gonna go in with Pleasure Model, which is very similar to Raisin, but it's just, it has a little glowy aspect to it that's really pretty. So I'm just putting a little bit of this on. And sometimes I won't do the blush at all, but I love me a good blush. All right, and then for lips, I'll usually just go in with a bright red, but I feel like doing a little bit of an ombre. So this is LAX from ColourPop. I'm gonna go in with this first and outline my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with Arriba, which is a part of the I Love Serie and ColourPop collab, which I wish I had ordered more of, but I'm like really sad about that. I'm just going to fill it in. I'm just fading that red up into the burgundy. All right. I don't really set my makeup or anything like that, so we're pretty much set. I'll be right back with a little outfit change. All right, guys, so I am back, and this is the final look. I'm gonna figure out what to do with this hair, I swear to God. I don't know, because it's in such a weird length. It is freaking me out. I don't know what to do with it, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back with plenty more. I do plan on having some of my amazing, beautiful, talented MUA friends on here as well. We will do MUA talks and more, so I look forward to bringing all of that to this channel. And if there's more that you guys want to see from me, please let me know below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.